Welcome everybody. I'm so glad that you have clicked on this video today. We have County Line Chair Edition. So we're going to get ourselves seated in just a moment, making sure that you have comfortable clothing, clear space around us, and a really sturdy chair to be dancing along. Here we go, learning our choreography for County Line in our chairs. Starting with our right foot, we're going to take a shuffle on our right. 1 and 2. We're going to rock forward with our left foot. 3, 4. Weight is on our right. We're going to take that shuffle on the left foot, little rock back, right, left. So our pattern is right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Let's look at that again with our counts. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And guess what? We're going to repeat that again from the top with the right foot. Shuffle on the right with the rock, recover, shuffle on the left and our rock, recover. So we can imagine that we can travel forward a little bit on those shuffles. We can lean forward too. You decide what you need for your body. And then when we shuffle back, we can kind of think about slightly hinging back if you want a little core work, taking it back and then rocking back and front. All right, here we go. So from the top with our counts, we have 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Again we go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. We're going to finish our dance with another rock recover with our right foot. We're going to go right, left. So that's 1, 2. We're going to take 2 marches in place. 3, 4. And then we would start our dance again. This is a 20 count dance. Instead of those traditional 3 8 counts or 4 8 counts, it's our 20 count dance. So we just have that little break in between, and then we would start the whole dance all again from the beginning. Here we go, from the top. 5, 6, and we have shuffle, recover, shuffle, recover. Again, shuffle, recover, shuffle, recover with our rock, step, walk, walk. And 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 7, 8, take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, and rock, step, walk, walk. And then we would begin again on that right side. Feel free to add in some arms. As I mentioned before, if we really want to be kind of leaning forwards and backwards, we could do a little side to side. You know your body, so you decide what kind of challenge you need today, what's going to make you feel successful as you're dancing along to the music for County Line.
If you are liking these videos, if you could do me that big favor, just hit the subscribe button. It helps with that algorithm, completely free to you, and it just helps to build this channel and get these dances out to more and more people who want to learn line dance in their chairs.
Starting on our right foot with our shuffle. Here we go. 1 and 2. Rock, recover, back. Rock, recover. Take it out again. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Rock, walk, walk. Back to the top. Rock it forward, shuffle back. Rock it back, shuffle. Rock it forward, shuffle back. Nice job. Rock, recover, step, step. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2. So start it all over again. Left and back and the front and back and rock it on out and rock, recover, stomp, stomp. Right foot and rock it. Shuffle on back, back, front. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Rock it forward and stomp it out. Back to the top. And forward and back. Once we get that rhythm in our bodies, thinking about how we could use the upper body. Maybe you want to push, we can always add some arms. Again, maybe that rock forwards and back. You decide what you need. And back. And front. Rock it out and back. And we have our 1, 2, stomp it out and shuffle it. And front and back and back. Rock it on back. You can lean it. Again, as I said before, maybe you want to use those abdominals. You got it. 1, 2, stomp it out and shuffle. Rock, recover, shuffle. Rock, recover. Again, shuffle. Rock, recover, shuffle. rock, recover. We have our rock, step, walk, walk. And 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, front and back. Rocking forward and stomp, stomp. Right foot forward, back. Again, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, stomp, stomp. 1 and 2, front, back, 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 front, shuffle, and a shuffle, and rock, and step, step. We'll finish right here for our dance today. Thank you so much for dancing along with me today. I hope you're proud of yourself for taking care of that physical, mental, emotional, and social health while you are dancing. These patterns, these coordination, the opportunity to really listen to the music and the rhythms that we are creating in our bodies really does stimulate the brain unlike any other form of exercise. So if you want more videos like this, make sure you check out that next one. All right, thank you so much, everybody. Can't wait to dance with you again.